Welcome to Sure Success, and in today's video we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter International Trade. This chapter is ninth chapter from your geography book, and before starting let me tell you what is international trade. It is the exchange of capital, goods and services across the nation, मतलब कि across the Indian territory and borders, because there is some need or want of the foreigners as well as we too have some wants. So that's why the international trade is being processed. In short, it is the exchange of capital, goods and services across the international territory or borders. Okay, I hope the international trade is clear to everyone. So by this, let's get started. The first question is, Silk Route was between, options are China and Rome, China and India, Japan and Sri Lanka, Africa and China. It has been asked that within these four options, between which two country Silk Route was made? Correct answer is China and Rome. Slave trade was abolished in the USA in, options are 1708, 1758, 1778, 1808. Here it's asked that slave trade was abolished in the USA in, matlab, when did slave trade lose its existence from this world? Matlab, when was it totally destroyed? And the correct answer is 1808. The headquarters of EU are at, okay, what is EU? EU is an acronym for European Union, and here it's asked where is the headquarters of European Union, and the options are London, Paris, Brussels, Berlin, and the correct answer is Brussels. The headquarters of EU is at Brussels. Okay, GATT was formed in, okay, here it's asked that when was GATT formed. Now what is GATT? Okay, let me tell you. GATT is an acronym, is a short form for the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. And here it's asked when was it formed. Options are 1904, 1924, 1954 and 1994. The correct answer is 1994. GATT was formed in 1994. Okay, hope you guys are getting the video, and do subscribe the channel as I am uploading new chapters every day of several subjects. And the most important thing is, the questions we are discussing in the video will always be the most important questions for your upcoming examination. So watch the video till end. When exports are more than imports, trade is, that means when export, matlab ki when the goods are exported from our country to international countries more than imports, matlab the goods which we are importing from foreign countries to our native country, trade is, what is the condition of trade in that situation? Options are favorable, unfavorable, opposite, unbalanced, and the correct answer is favorable. Obviously the situation would be favorable for trade as export is higher than the import. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The question is, in which trading bloc is Iceland? And the options are EU, EFTA, NAFTA, OPEC. And the correct answer is EFTA. How many countries are there in OPEC? Now what does OPEC mean? It is the short form of Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now in these countries, how many countries come under this OPEC? Options are 10, 11, 12, 13, and the correct answer is 12. 12 countries are under OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Which is not included in SAARC? The full form of SAARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Now, which are the countries that is not included in this? Options are India, Pakistan, Nepal, Iran. And the correct answer is Iran. Iran is not included in SAARC, but India, Pakistan, Nepal are included in SAARC. Which is a river port? Options are Mumbai, Kochi, Kolkata, Karachi. And the correct answer is Kolkata. Kolkata is a river port. Which is a port of call? Options are Aden, Karachi, Goa, Chennai. And the correct answer is Aden. It is a port of call. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The question is, most of the world's great ports are classified as, मतलब कि वर्ल्ड्स के ग्रेट पोर्ट्स को क्या नाम से बुलाया जाता है? ऑप्शंस आर नेवल पोर्ट्स, ऑयल पोर्ट्स, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पोर्ट्स, इंडस्ट्रियल पोर्ट्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज comprehensive ports. The world's great ports are classified as comprehensive ports. Which one of the following continents has the maximum flow of global trade? मतलब which continents has maximum trading system in global? Options are Asia, North America, Europe, Africa. And the correct answer is North America. It has the maximum flow of global trade. Okay, which one of the following South American nation is a part of OPEC? Options are Brazil, Chile, Venezuela, Peru. And the correct answer is Venezuela. In which of the following trade blocs is India an associate member? That means India is an associate member of which trade blocs within the following options? Options are SAFTA, QECD, ASEAN, OPEC. And the correct answer is option number C, ASEAN. Now, what is ASEAN? It is the short form or an acronym of Associations of Southeast Asian Nations. Therefore, India is an associate member of Association of Southeast Asian Nations. By this we come to an end of the video and आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कर दीजिए और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन पर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस अपडेट आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँचे. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.